Now let's talk about subgrades. Gradelink uses the name subgrades to refer to any assessments that don't use the same grade scale as class assignments and don't contribute to the class grade. Some schools may also refer to them as standards, and examples include conduct and work ethics. We mentioned earlier that Gradelink allows you to create your own custom class types. However, custom class types and subgrades are actually the same thing. They're created using the same fields, but what differentiates the two is where you choose to apply them. If you create a set of subgrades and assign them to a class using the subgrades field, they'll appear in their own tab in addition to the grade sheet. If you add a set of subgrades to a class using the class type field, then instead of having access to a grade sheet and assignments, teachers will only be able to record grades for those specific subgrades. To create a set of subgrades, hit the gear-shaped icon next to either the class type or subgrades field. A set of subgrades has four main parts: a name, a title, custom fields, and a custom grade scale. Class type name is the name that appears internally within Gradelink, while the report section title appears on report cards, transcripts, and on other administrator reports in Gradelink. Custom fields refer to the actual subgrades. By default, you only need a field name and a field order, which determines the order that subgrades are displayed in. However, administrators can also control the appearance of their subgrades using the options below. Field Not Graded hides the part of the field where the grade would appear. Bold forces the subgrade to appear in bold font. Indent determines the number of pixels to use if the field is indented. Finally, Bullet determines what symbol to use for indented fields. As we mentioned earlier, subgrades do not use traditional grade scales. In fact, you'll have to manually define a grade scale for each set of subgrades. Unlike traditional grade scales, subgrades only require a mark, a description, and an order. Comments are an optional field that can be tricky to implement. If you're interested in adding comments to your subgrades, please contact Gradelink support to have them configured for you. It's important to note that although custom classes and subgrades appear on the report card, they do not impact the class grades or the GPA.